Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Shahryar. I'm the captain of the Falcons team and we are participating in the ICGC KAIZEN Cup. I would like to thank Dr. Rahim for helping sponsor this and I want to welcome all the players that are playing in this tournament this year. This tournament has been happening for the past 3 years. This is to bring our Muslim community together and hopefully get some emerging cricket talent as well as getting some of the players that have retired to come back and play. So all in all, it's to bring the community together, hopefully have fun together, eat, drink, laugh, and I hope to see you all on Saturday and Sunday to support the teams that you're supporting. To the competitors, we're here to play and we're here to win, so go Falcons!
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Samir, captain from KAIZEN team. First of all, I would like to say thank you for ICGC and Dr. Rahim from KAIZEN Family Dental for hosting such a wonderful tournament for the community. My message to my other teammates, please come with a lot of enthusiasm and professionalism so that we enjoy cricket together. And we are not here for winning or losing, we are here to play together and show our talent to the community.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Raza Kabir and I am captain of Shaheens. Everyone should come and support the teams, and this is a very good tournament. It brings people together and we usually know a lot of new people who are interested in playing cricket, and it's a very good initiative.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Mir. I am the captain of Champions team. This year we are participating in ICGC KAIZEN Family Dental tournament. Please come and join us.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mujahid. I am captain of ICGC Warriors. Inshallah we will play ICGC KAIZEN tournament this weekend. We will play together, we will win together.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Muhammad Alam. I'm captain of Fighting Wolves and we're going to play ICGC KAIZEN tournament. So I'm going to call my community to come watch us and support our kids and families here watching the games. Please join our community and help each other. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rafiq. I'm captain of WCM United. We are playing in a KAIZEN ICGC Cup and everybody should join from the community.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajid Saab and I am a captain of COM of Mason. And we would like to invite all of you to join us for KAIZEN Family Dental Trophy ICGC. Inshallah, we're looking forward all of you to come and join us and enjoy the game and have fun. Kudos.